It's a cold day in Orlando, Florida, but we're here near this park area located pretty close to Orlando International Airport. Don't know if you can see those planes flying there. But today we're here staying at the Marriott Hotel, located, guess what it's called? The Orlando Marriott Lakeside, which makes sense. Yeah, staying here for one night because I have an early morning flight. Let's go take a look and see what my room's like and see what we think. I wasn't kidding when I said this place is close to the airport. Bye-bye, Mr. Southwest. Today we're in room 427 here at the Orlando Airport Marriott Lakeside. Let's take a look here and see what our room looks like. Alrighty, we're here at room 427 here at the Marriott Hotel, Orlando Airport Lakeside. Let's take a look here at our room. Standard lock here. All I've done so far is I've turned on some lights. That's about it. Alright, coming to the door. You have your lock here. Pretty standard. You open it, it does that. You also have this. You also have your privacy please name tag here. Looking at this hotel property makes kind of like a weird L. And if you'll notice, there are a lot of rooms on this side. And this is only on the 4th floor. So this place has a lot of rooms. You have your 4 elevators here, surface elevators down here, staircases at each end of the hallway. Now, let's take a look at the room. Pretty solid so far from my first glance. It is slightly tighter than I'm used to, but I also normally get 2 queen rooms rather than 1 king room. Looking over here, you have a lamp here that I forgot to turn on whenever I started the video. So we will, if I can find the switch for it, we will turn that on. There we go. Let there be light. Alrighty, so first thing you see whenever you walk in here, you got this nice little alcove here. In my opinion, this should have a luggage rack right here. That would be my call if I were in charge. But hotels are starting to phase those out, so I can understand why not. Right here, we have a little bit of a storage closet. You got your ironing board, some hangers, and some space for clothes. And I believe this is a blow dryer. Yeah, blow dryer. Very not cool. Then we come over into the main part of the room. First off, there's your lamp that we just looked at. There's your alarm clock. Pretty standard, Timex brand. See some pillows here. That's nice. I'm actually going to go over on the other side here before I take apart the bed. Let's get a quick shot right here. Perfect. And then a couch right here. On this side, you got a Marriott branded pen, as well as phone and another lamp. Alright, pillows. That one's nice. That one's also nice. No signs of any defects on these pillows. It's a Marriott. I wouldn't expect there to be any. Yeah, all 4 of them are good. Then we can take a look at some of the bedding. Top layer looks pretty good so far. Don't see anything of concern here. Lift this up just a little bit. Let's see here. Don't see anything in that layer. Key down for a second might help actually. Then we got our mattress, which also looks perfectly brand new. This layer here is, actually no, this is a separate thing, but it looks solid. I don't see any major issues here. Bedding looks great. Mattress feels comfortable. Relatively recent. Howdy, howdy. You also got a stand here for luggage. I would have put this over there, but that might just be me. You also got a workspace desk here. You can pop these drawers open. You got a Bible and the Book of Mormon. It's a Marriott property after all. Down here, nothing in this one. Slightly chipped paint there. And you got nothing in that one as well. Trash can and recycling. You got your TV here. You got a nice little desk lamp here, as well as a food delivery thing here. You got a coffee maker, ice pot or ice bucket with water. Sorry if I can talk properly. Then down here, it appears we have a mini fridge, if it wants to open. There we go. Yep. Nice and clean. There is no microwave in this room, which I find interesting. I'm surprised they don't really have a microwave here and then this stuff here. This sofa bed right here, this bed or this couch here, sorry, I'm a little tired. I've been working all day. But this couch here, it turns into a sofa bed. You just take off the cushions and you can pull it right on out. Also why there's a good bit of a gap there near the window back there, whereas normally you would see this couch positioned like right here. So that is actually kind of interesting. I haven't really seen that before. And it makes it difficult to open the windows compared to if it was over there. Here's our view. Kind of straight out the front there. Makes sense. And yeah. Oh yes, in the bathroom. Temperature set at 64 degrees. We're going to bring that up a little bit because it is cold today. Is that shut? It does not shut all the way. I don't know if that's something to do with the... Strange. Then, over here, we also have our bathroom. This is one of those sliding doors for the bathroom. That doesn't like sliding all the way. Turn on some lights. We gotta look here. Look over there. Alrighty. Here's your sink. Very nice, as you come to expect. You got a hook right here for some towels. Towels laid out here. Tissue box. More cups here for some water or something along those lines. Toilet paper down here. You got some towels and then more towels. Right here you got your shower. We do have these in one separate, what's the word? These are one container rather than reusable, which some travelers like, some don't like. Here's the shower head. Let's turn that on real quick. Ooh, that's a good shower head. I'm excited to shower in that one tonight, that's for darn sure. Alrighty, and then lastly, let's take a look here at the toilet. No signs of any damage here. Or not just damage, just outright miscleanliness. Looks pretty clean to me. Let's give it a flush. Very good, very good. Alrighty. That outlet looks a little funny, but it's pretty solid overall. I did notice the table over here next to the sofa bed is a little dirty. Could be replaced if possible. That's just not dirty, but it's like chipped. But overall, I'm pretty happy with what I see so far. Definitely some more updates coming into this video later today, but yeah, I like what I see so far. Good job, Marriott. I didn't see this when I first looked, but there is a singular brown stain on the side of the bed right here. I doubt it's anything too crazy, but it's just something to point out. Just an observation, some might say. Marriott note card, people leaving their business cards, you know, the whole 9 yards. Pencil sharpener, and wow. Let's continue down this way toward the convention center down there. That's the convention center. Not much else to it. But yeah. Convention area here. Alrighty, it's 4:21 a.m. That means it's time for me to go catch my flight. As far as this hotel, all things considered, not very much I can complain about. Got me a good night of sleep before my early flight. Now I'm heading to the airport. Thanks for watching. That'll be it. Bye.